Everyone is asking me about the Acer Aspire Go 15 AI, so let's settle it right now. Are you tired of laptops that promise the world but can't deliver? You know, those devices that leave you struggling to get anything done because they're just too slow or outdated. Well, I've got some good news for you. There's a game changer on the market, and I'm about to tell you all about it. If you're anyone who's been searching for a laptop that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, whether that means working from home, studying, or just keeping in touch with friends and family, then this is the device for you. You need something reliable, something fast, and something that can help you stay organized and focused. Now, I know what's been holding you back. You've been stuck in a cycle of mediocre laptops that just aren't cutting it. But let me tell you, the Acer Aspire Go 15 AI is about to change all that. It's designed with one thing in mind, to make your life easier and more productive. So what sets this laptop apart? First off, there's the Copilot feature, which I'm going to call an everyday AI companion because it just feels so intuitive and powerful. This tiny key, tucked away on your keyboard, gives you instant access to a range of tasks, from generating text to answering emails and even more complex queries. But that's not all. This laptop also boasts some seriously impressive visuals. The 15.6-inch Full HD display is crystal clear, with razor-sharp lines and vibrant colors that make it perfect for streaming or just chilling on YouTube, as I'm doing right now. And because of Acer Blue Light Shield, you can even reduce the levels of blue light to minimize eye strain. And have I mentioned the battery life? Because let me tell you, this laptop can go and go, you'll barely even notice it's there until it's time to plug in. But don't just take my word for it. The actual numbers are pretty mind-blowing too. 12 hours of uptime isn't exactly what I call all-day battery. But here's the thing, this laptop is about more than just specs and features. It's designed with simplicity and elegance in mind, so you can stay focused on what matters most without distractions getting in your way. Now that I've told you all about it, I know some of you are probably thinking, should I go for this? Well, the verdict is simple. Absolutely yes. The Acer Aspire Go 15 AI is a powerhouse of productivity and efficiency that will change the way you work and play. Trust me on this one. Of course, there's always going to be something that keeps us all up at night. In this case, I'll admit that my only gripe with this laptop is its occasional overheating, but honestly, that's a tiny price to pay for this level of performance and reliability. So what are you waiting for? If you're ready to experience the thrill of smooth, seamless performance, no matter where your day takes you, then I've got just the thing. The Acer Aspire Go 15 AI is out there, waiting for you. Subscribe for weekly reviews that actually go deep. You will not regret it.